Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these red velvet slices. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in your granulated sugar, followed by the cocoa powder and the bicarbonate of soda. Then you can add your wet ingredients, which are the egg, the vanilla, followed by the oil and the red food colouring. Make sure you're using a good quality one. Then mix all of this on a low speed to start with, working your way up to a medium high. And once you've got like a lighter mixture, so everything is combined and you can't see a trace of a single ingredient, you can go ahead and alternate between your flour and your buttermilk. I add the flour, so you should start with the flour and end with the flour, so it's 3 additions of flour to 2 additions of the buttermilk. And you'll want to mix well in between each addition, just so you know you're not getting any clumps or anything. And then you can give the bowl a good scraping down after they've all been included, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So make sure you scrape the very top and the very bottom of the bowl, as that's where they normally seem to collect. Then transfer into a 9 by 9 inch square baking pan, which has been lined with some parchment paper. Then place into your preheated oven and bake. I will leave all that information on the blog post, which you can find down below. So to make the cream cheese icing, place into a mixing bowl the butter and the icing sugar and mix on their own for around 5 to 7 minutes, or until they're lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Then you can go ahead and start adding the cream cheese, and this will really make a difference. So this will help thicken the mixture. Then set in the fridge until needed later on. Once your cake is baked and fully cooled, you can slice it up. I went with 8 very generous portions, but you could easily cut these into 16 and make more portions. Then you can pipe on top however you like. I just went with this kind of rope effect on this one. I don't really know what the formation's called. This one was just a zigzag, but feel free to pipe on top however you would like. You could be really creative if you really wanted to. Here's what it looked like. You've got a good layer of red velvet cake topped with cream cheese icing, which is perfect. I then have found some sprinkles that just needs to be used up, so I just took these white halo sprinkles and just scattered them all over and sprayed on some edible glitter. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.